Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best finish for walnut tables on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying the best finish for walnut table. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Are you looking to give your walnut table a beautiful finish? Many options are available when considering the best finish for a walnut table. Some popular finishes include oil, wax, and varnish. But which is the best one for you? Each finish has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose the one that will best protect and enhance your table. In this blog post, we'll discuss the pros and cons of each finish option and help you decide which is the best finish for your walnut table. Walnut wood is renowned as a natural finish requiring more effort than simply applying a wood finish to attain a durable finish. Most walnut furniture finished using linseed oil or tung oil tends to turn gray, making some walnut items unappealing. So let's see the best way to achieve a beautiful finish on walnut wood. Give your walnut coffee table good protection before using it with polyurethane varnish, oil-based polyurethane, or true Danish oil. Because walnut has a deep burnished color, linseed oil produces the best results when you apply it to walnut wood. In addition, boiled linseed oil gives walnut wood a natural darker appearance. Number 1. Howard RF 6016 Finish for Walnut Table. Restore a Finish is a unique oil finish penetrating formula that repairs walnut wood while removing dents, scrapes, and blemishes. It comes in 9 different colors to match almost every wood finish tone. Neutral, maple pine, golden oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, dark walnut, dark oak, and ebony brown are available colors. Most walnut wood surfaces that need replacement can be restored in a few minutes wipe-on, wipe-off application method, saving you money and time. The stain effectively removes unsightly watermarks, smoke damage, sun fading, and other flaws. In addition, it replenishes the wood's original luster without meddling with any previously applied wood finish. Before you go through the stress of stripping old paint and sanding scratches, restore your dining, walnut, and coffee table with this fantastic finish. We give many woodworking tips and have reviewed numerous finishes so far, but Restore a Finish has cemented its place among the best for a good reason. Restore a Finish is very simple to use even if you have no woodworking skills. First, wipe the surface thoroughly to remove surface crud and dust, then apply the RAF as directed. Finish with 0000 steel wool on all rough places. It should take about 45 minutes or so, depending on the size of your wooden surfaces. They'll look great by the morning. It's as if magic happens when a polish hardens into a glossy finish. Even if you've been using the surfaces for a while, they'll look brand new. What we liked most. When using this walnut finish, you do not need to wear gloves. When cleaning the surfaces, you do not need to use mineral spirits. You can use it on multiple surfaces. What could be improved? Some colors are incorrect. Number 2. General Finishes AQ Finish for Walnut Table. If you are looking for the best finish for a walnut tabletop, this product could be ideal. It'll save you thousands of dollars replacing old furniture. Just be sure to follow the instructions when applying the stain. Do not let it sit longer on the surface, as that won't save you time or coats. If you do, the stain will dry, and you'll spend the next several hours with steel wool breaking your sweat trying to get it off. Just apply the stain generously and wipe it off after 5 or 10 minutes tops. Start with a high-quality paintbrush. Next, wear latex gloves and put on a sock over your hand. Use a sock to stain hard-to-reach areas for exceptional results. You'll need to finish with a polyurethane varnish to stop the stain from fading or coming off. Give yourself ample time to notice spots in different lights at different positions. Fix them up before making them permanent by applying a top coat. You can also apply the stain with a clean painter's rag and wipe it off using a different clean cloth to avoid streaks. Apply each coat as if it were the final coat, taking care not to leave visible blobs. Let a little bit of color soak in with each coat. It might take more coats and more stain, but it'll be much easier to control the look or color. What we liked most. It's easy to apply even if you have no woodworking skills. It has a dark, rich color. It's very versatile. It's affordable. It's also an ideal choice for aspen or pine furniture. What could be improved? If you fail to wipe off excess stain, you'll get blotches and streaks. Number 3. Minwax 70012 Finish for Walnut Table. If you are looking for a rich, uniform color for a dining table, this wood stain will come in handy for you. It gives you a beautiful satin finish while enhancing the natural wood grain in just one coat. It's ideal for most interior staining projects such as tabletop, coffee table, wood furniture, cabinets, bare walnut, etc. It dries out in record time so that you can focus on other things on your to-do list. The unique formula enables it to penetrate wood pores in 5 minutes deeply. In addition, it resists lapping, making all of your projects quick, beautiful, and straightforward. The unique formula enables it to deeply penetrate walnut wood pores in 5 minutes. In addition, it resists lapping, making all of your projects quick, beautiful, and straightforward. The stain is also easy to apply, even if you lack credible woodworking skills. Just follow these woodworking tips, and you'll be good to go. Apply this stain in the direction of the grain with a clean cloth or a paintbrush. Wait 5-15 minutes before wiping away any excess stain. If you want a richer or darker color, give it more time to dry. Reapply coats as needed to get the hue you're looking for. What we liked most. The colors you get match the ones on the can. It's easy to apply. It gives you an even rich color. You can use it on various projects. What could be improved? It may take a while to dry based on the number of coats applied. Number 4. Varathane 262025 Finish for Walnut Table. Are you looking for a fast-drying wood stain that will give your interior projects a rich, dark finish? This high-quality formula is perfect for furniture, cabinets, doors, trim, and paneling. It delivers beautiful results with ease, thanks to its easy-to-use applicator pad. Varathane 262025 Premium Fast Dry Wood Stain is a high-quality, easy-to-use wood stain that's perfect for all your interior wood projects. Whether you're refinishing an old piece of furniture, updating your cabinets, or staining a new door, Varathane 262025 will give your black walnut wood a beautiful dark finish that looks great and holds up well over time. If you are tired of struggling with amateurish results, using this stain could be a significant step in the right direction. Are you looking for a way to enhance the natural beauty of finished walnut wood? This high-performance stain is enhanced with nano-pigment particles, which bring out the beauty of the natural wood grain and create an exquisitely beautiful finish. It dries to the touch in just half an hour so that you can refinish in no time. It injects life into walnut wood nuts, making your walnut slab look new even if you have had it for decades. You only need to apply one coat, and you'll be happy with the results. What we liked most. You do not have to thin it, it's ready-to-use formula. It's easy to work with and gives you a gorgeous color. It dries fast. What could be improved? It changes the color of wood since it's opaque. The color you get may not match the images on the can. Number 5. General Finishes WWQT Finish for Walnut Table. General Finishes is famous for manufacturing some of the highest quality wood finishes on the market. This particular water-based wood stain is one of their fantastic products that can give your walnut woods and furniture another shot at life. It easily blends and penetrates the walnut wood, reducing imperfections. The dye stain contains high-quality pigments that produce even, dark colors in black walnut. Apply this water-based wood stain with a brush, a clean rag, or spray it onto your surface to achieve professional results. General Finishes water-based wood stain is odorless and has low VOC levels, unlike other wood stains. It does not emit poisonous fumes that can harm your health, so you can use it without wearing protective gear. The stain is suitable for indoor use only and is designed to have the same functionality as oil-based stains. You can create custom colors by combining General Finishes water-based wood stains with any General Finishes water-based top coat. It's also non-combustible, so it's entirely safe for use without fear of catching fire. It cures to a thick natural finish, dries quickly, and provides extensive coverage. We highly recommend that you first work on a testboard F to see if you like the color and want to use it on your walnut tables, and you'll be comfortable seeing it every day for a while. What we liked most: it deeply penetrates walnut wood, reducing blotches. It is simple to use even if you have no prior experience. Cleaning is simple with soap and water. What could be improved? It's ideal for indoor use only. You can't use it outdoor no matter how much you like it.